Whenever I got out of the military, I needed a job trade to go to, and I seen a Triangle Tech commercial. I wanted something that I could rely on as far as, a career, rather than something dangerous like going into law enforcement. So I was gone for 4 years in the military, wasn't used to the classroom, style of anything. And, they were able to adjust with not only younger students straight out of high school, but people who already, had prior careers that were already used to the workforce, and then being able to adapt back into, the classroom kind of environment. While I was in school, we actually took a field trip to this company. If anybody were interested in, working here, then we were able to fill out an application. Triangle Tech also helped us build our resume. My name is Nepshield, and I work at Holtec International.
When it comes to welding, no one trains you like Triangle Tech.